They're not just a noisy nuisance. Crickets can wreak havoc on your lawn and spread harmful bacteria to you and your family. Here's what you'll need to rid your home of crickets. In early spring, look for mole cricket mounds and check for cricket nymphs by mixing a solution of 2 tablespoons of dish soap in a gallon of water. Distribute the solution over a 2-foot square of lawn. If young mole crickets surface, target that specific area for treatment. Next, sprinkle lawn insecticide granules to reduce damage from tunneling crickets. Apply more intensive lawn treatment sprays and granular insecticides at the beginning of the summer to eliminate the remaining cricket population. To block crickets from finding their way inside your home, spray around doors, garages, basements, vents, and pipes. Place cricket traps and baits around outdoor sheds, wood piles, and compost areas. Some natural cricket treatments for indoors include a molasses water mixture or a diatomaceous earth powder sprinkled around baseboards and in wall crevices. There are also insecticide sprays, which you can apply along windowsills and in the corners of rooms, or glue cricket traps for areas like kitchens or basements where crickets may be hiding. Good luck, and thanks for shopping at the Home Depot.